Welcome to Bike Rush, where we break down the most exciting motorcycles shaping the future of riding. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a machine built to bridge serious off-road capability with long-distance adventure comfort. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is designed as a true dual-sport adventure bike. It sits between lightweight enduro models and heavyweight adventure tourers, aiming to deliver real off-road performance without sacrificing highway stability or everyday usability. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a refined mid-capacity parallel twin engine tuned for strong low and mid-range torque. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it ideal for technical trails, gravel roads, and long highway stretches. Honda's focus here is reliability, efficiency, and controllable performance rather than outright speed. The lightweight steel frame and long travel suspension give the CRF 750L excellent balance on uneven terrain. With a 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear, the bike remains planted off-road while maintaining confidence on paved roads. The geometry favors stability at speed without feeling heavy in tight sections. Honda equips the CRF 750L with modern rider-focused electronics, including multiple ride modes, switchable traction control, and off-road ABS settings. These systems are designed to assist without interfering, allowing riders to adapt quickly to changing terrain and riding styles. Visually, the CRF 750L follows Honda's rally-inspired design language. Sharp body lines, a tall windscreen, and a narrow waist give it a purposeful adventure look. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat ensure comfort during long rides while maintaining full control off-road. With a generous fuel tank, integrated mounting points for luggage, and durable bodywork, the CRF 750L is ready for extended journeys. Whether commuting daily or crossing remote landscapes, the bike is built to handle real-world adventure demands. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is ideal for riders who want one motorcycle that can do it all: trail riding, touring, and everyday commuting. It's especially appealing to adventure riders who prioritize reliability, versatility, and off-road confidence over excessive weight and complexity. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L represents Honda's vision of a balanced adventure machine. Capable, dependable, and ready for exploration. It's not just about reaching the destination, but enjoying every mile along the way. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more in-depth motorcycle insights and future releases.